Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel Roots and Reason. In this video, we are going to cover the definition of food, nutrients, nutrition and balanced diet. Now, this video can also be accessible to the PG first years in concepts of biomolecules, and also to the BSc first years in clinical nutrition. Now, what's so special about this video is we will not only tell you how to do the proper definitions, but also how you can extend the answer in the answer sheet with the valid points. So first we are going to start with the food. Now, what is food? The easiest or basic answer is food is something that is edible or artificially or naturally prepared and consumed by the human beings in order to gain the energy and nourishment. So this is the simple definition. First you will write in the exam. First you will write the meaningful definition. जब अपन meaningful 2-3 lines के definitions लिख देते, then only you can extend the answer later. अगर definition ही गड़बड़ कर दिए तो नीचे का आंसर देखते भी नहीं, सीधा स्ट्राइक मार देते. So first the definition should be correct. It should be like clear and जो भी है exact words में रहना. And how you will extend it. First definition हो गया. Next you will write the points that are related to the food. For example, you can write the statement. The trick here is write one statement. For example, food is not merely a energy source, but it is a complex matrix. Write a statement. अब इसको अपन explain करेंगे. Explain करके extend करेंगे आंसर. That is बोल के लिखना, लिख के explain करना आंसर कि फूड खाली कैलोरीज और एनर्जी नहीं देता, बट उसके अलावा भी क्या प्रोवाइड करता, फूड न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रोवाइड करता और प्रोवाइड करता नॉन न्यूट्रिएंट बायोएक्टिव कंपाउंड्स. अब जो बायोएक्टिव कंपाउंड्स, नाउ न्यूट्रिएंट्स वी ऑल नो व्हाट इज न्यूट्रिएंट्स, माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स. ये न्यूट्रिएंट्स तो फूड प्रोवाइड करता है, फूड में प्रेजेंट रहता है. What about the non-nutrient bioactive compounds? It is also present in food. Now, what are the non-nutrient bioactive compounds? It is phytochemicals, probiotics, antioxidants, and fiber. It helps in immunity, boosting immunity, prevent from diseases, prevent from constipation, helps in providing the good bacteria. So these are present in the food but not highlighted. So we can write this point also. Also you can go the food should be safe, palatable or culturally acceptable, and also should adequately meet the physiological needs. So these 3 points should be enough to cover more than half page. Later, if you really explain the statements short, then you can extend it by telling more about the food. Like आप जैसे eating disorders को भी ला सकते हैं, food में कैसा influence हो रहा है food से eating disorders, ये सब भी ला सकते हैं. And you can extend the point, but using these points, making the charts in between and extending it, तो eye catching हो जाता आंसर. So this is about the food. Next we will go with the nutrients. What is nutrients? Nutrients are the constituents of the food which helps in specific functions in our body. Now this will be the definition. Okay, we all know that nutrients are present in the food and it helps in specific functions. What functions? Repairing, growth, metabolism, providing energy. These are the functions of the nutrients. First you will write the definition that nutrients are the constituents of the food, helps in specific functions in the human body. They help in growth, repairing, metabolism and providing energy. Then you will classify it. Classification, write classification, and then do another macronutrients and micronutrients. In macronutrients, what is in macronutrients, carbs, fats, proteins and water, they come under macronutrients. Then in micronutrients, vitamins, minerals, this will come under the micronutrients. Now specify the function. For example, carbs. What do carbs do? We will leave this answer here, then write the next point. Like carbs, it provides the energy. Then protein, simple one line, like it helps in repair and build of the body tissues. Then fats, helps in providing the concentrated energy and protect the organs. Water, it is essential for the all bodily systems. So we can extend this answer like this. Later you can also add that this also non-nutrient bioactive compounds, it will help in further health improvement, disease maintenance, like that. You can add this point also agar nutrients ka kam pada to. It will cover everything and you will get full marks. If you don't know the another part of the long answer, give your definition best, starting page best. It will, maybe the examiner will give you the marks according to the points you have mentioned. Now we will go for the nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the science that study food, like that study food, nutrients and the interactions with the body. If you अगर easy language में बोलना है तो how the food and nutrients get worked in the all the body functions, how it uses is the study we do, that is nutrition. So how the foods and nutrients interact is the simplest definition we can use in nutrition. Now in which processes what food undergoes, it like in which processes it undergoes. First we will go with ingestion, how food is ingested, then digested, then absorbed, metabolized, utilized, excrete. Excretion. These are the functions or the processes that food undergo through. So these are the interactions. These all are the interactions that food undergoes through. So write the proper definition by including this. Then we can extend it like in terms of the streams. For example, nutrition is beyond this biological mechanisms. For example, clinical nutrition, we can go with the streams. Clinical nutrition, how in clinical nutrition it helps? In clinical nutrition it helps in disease prevention and maintenance. Okay, prevention of disease, and maintenance. In applied, how it will help? In applied nutrition, it will help in, like, it will help practically, like for example translation of the nutrients into the practical diets. So it will help in applied nutrition, it will help like this. In public health nutrition, how it will help? It helps in malnutrition and health improvement. So we need, if you write the definition that it will help in this processes, it includes these processes, the food is the food interact with these processes, then go with the streams, how it will help in clinical nutrition, applied nutrition, public health nutrition, and then go like how it will help in growth, repairing, utilization, bodily functions, and overall health. You will get a long answer. Next, the final most is the balanced diet. Now, balanced diet, I will give you one line that is suitable. You can revolve the whole answer, even the long answer around it. Now, balanced diet, you need to just remember one line, that is all nutrients plus right amount plus variety of foods. This is the complete definition. You can extend it into the long answer or the definition. Okay, balanced diet is eating right amount of food, of right amount of different fruits in a proper controlled proportion. Okay, so these are the definitions. Now, how you can extend it? By adding the variety of food. What is variety of food? Different, like cereals and pulses, fats and oils, vegetables and fruits, like this. All nutrients, everything should be, the plate should be colorful, properly proportioned. How it's, for example, you can extend it first. You can write the definition that variety of food should be included, like cereal, pulses. Energy should be coming from these foods that we are providing. Colorful plate should be there ताकि सामने वाला palatable हो या फिर eat कर सके. If you give the boring foods कि यही nutrition है, यही खाना है, people are not excited to eat. So give them colorful food and the food that are nutritious too. Next, it should prevent from the diseases. It should also help in preventing the eating disorders too. So these are the things in balanced diet. You can take the example of my plate and extend it. Also write an example that अगर एक हेल्दी इंसान को अपन शॉर्टर बैलेंस प्लेट दिए कि ईट इट, बट इट इज नॉट इनफ फॉर हिम, okay, because he is healthy. You need to give a person balanced diet according to their body needs. Okay, weight reduce करना next goal है. You cannot straightly aim on weight reduction. So balanced diet should be according to the person. It is not specific. एक ही चीज specific नहीं है. Like this is the final balance diet. It is according to the culture, different according to the culture, the person, their personalities, their habit of eating, everything, dislikes, likes, everything. So you can extend the answer by this. That's it for today's class. If you have questions or you want a detailed notes regarding this, you can comment us or you can comment or DM us on Instagram. We will get in touch. Thank you.